Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video from me. So before we start this video, I am a licensed master esthetician, so I'm going to share my knowledge and my tips with you guys. Skin type is combination to oily, like leaning towards oily. I tend to be dry like right over here and sometimes like on my forehead. And then I'm mostly oily like on my T-zone, not really on my forehead so much, but more on like my nose and my cheek area and my chin. Just so you guys know that these products I am using with my skin type and my skin concerns. Now we can actually start this video. So I have my headband here. You can use any headband, but I'm gonna use one that I have at home. So it does look a little bit funny, but that's okay because who cares? I do have chlorophyll water with me today, so I'm gonna take a sip of that. And my bags are so bad, but it's okay. So I am going to turn on my steamer now. You can buy steamer on Amazon, or what I like what I used to do, boil water and then put it in like a bowl and put my head over it and a towel over my head so it could trap the steam in there. It works really good too, so that's a cheap way to do it, the free way. You do want to wash your hands before you start, but I did do that before this video. You have alcohol here. I'm just gonna spray that on my hand. We do want this to be a relaxing experience, so I want it to smell good. I have this room spray. It's tea tree plus spearmint. It smells so good. So I'm going to rub some lavender oils on my wrist and smell it and breathe at the same time. That's what I would do if I was giving a facial to someone, to kind of just relax and give them a good welcome to the facial. So that's what we're gonna do on ourselves. Oh my god, I love the scent of lavender. It's so nice. I just have sponges. You can do this over the sink, or if you have some sponges or wet towels, that would be good too. I'm just gonna kind of wet my face. The first thing I'm using is the Dermologica pre-cleanse. I love this thing. It is so good. So I had to get the big bottle. I had the small, like the very tiny one, because I forget where I got it. I think I bought like a travel thing or like a mini set or something, and I fell in love with it, so I use it on my clients and on myself. I don't use this currently for my everyday face wash. When I do have makeup, I do use this. It's amazing. I don't have any makeup on right now, as you can tell, but I'm going to use it anyway for you guys. I'm just gonna rub it in my hands a little bit to warm it up. I'm just gonna apply it to my cheeks, my chin, nose, and then just start working it in. We always want to massage the face upwards, so not like this. You want to put some pressure, but not like super harsh, just kind of like a relaxing pressure. Oil cleansers are really good for removing makeup, like extremely good. So I definitely recommend an oil cleanser to use instead of makeup wipes, because makeup wipes are not good. It is recommended that you cleanse your face no matter what you're doing for about a minute or so, because you really want to get everywhere and make sure that your skin is nice and clean. So now the steamer's on me. I'm just gonna let it relax my face. Now I'm using the Dermologica Special Cleansing Milk. This is the mini packaging that I was like talking to you guys about just now. Keeping the steam on, I'm just going to use the Dermologica Daily Microfoliants. I love this exfoliator. It is the best. It's very gentle, but still gets the job done. I love it. Now I am keeping an eye on the clock because you don't want to over steam your face. I would suggest 10 to 15 minutes at most. And if you have sensitive skin, I would say less, because you don't want to irritate your skin. So I'm just going to wipe it off first. This is called a skin scrubber. So I'm going to put it on the first setting. It's going to vibrate a little bit. It's going to take the gunk out. It's like a little machine, a little spatula, and it vibrates. So you just rub it across your face and it takes out most of the gunk out of your pores. So every so often you just want to wipe that. My face already feels smooth. Now is the perfect time for extractions, although I do suggest you visit a local licensed esthetician or someone that can handle your skin that is professional. Definitely cystic acne, never crop cystic acne, and definitely go to a dermatologist if you do have that so that can help you out and suggest what is best for your skin. I'm going to do a few extractions and I'll be right back. Please disinfect your tools, whatever you use. Please disinfect it every time you use it because you don't want bacteria to just grow on it. But now I am toning with the Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. So I'm just putting that on 2 cotton pads. Just applying to my face. Now I'm using this mask that I got in my Ipsy, I think. It's from One Kind. It's called Perfectionist Refining Facial Pink Clay plus AHA / BHA. And BHA is salicylic acid, by the way. If you are allergic to aspirin, do not use this, because salicylic acid is made from aspirin and or willow-bark. Just gonna apply that everywhere. Just gonna let that sit in my face for 10 to 15 minutes and then I'll come back and wash it off. Before I forget, the skin scrubber, I did get this on Amazon, so I can link it down below for you guys. It works great for me. I've used it quite a few times and it hasn't broken on me or anything, so it's really good and it really gets all the gunk out of my pores. If I just use this alone, my face will feel so smooth, so definitely recommend getting this. It wasn't expensive either, I think $20 to $30, and there could be cheaper ones out there, but I just know this one is good. It's been like 10 minutes, so I'm just gonna wash it off now. Now I'm going to tone again. I would suggest doing an LED therapy treatment. I have a professional one that I bought. It's called the Omega Light. It was around $180. It's really good. It has different colors, so that's what I like about it. But I'm sure you can find some good ones on Amazon. Just make sure you read the reviews first. That's what you always want to do. This is what it looks like, so I'm just going to go ahead and lay down and do this real quick. So I'm back from doing that. I did the green LED light. So that is for hyperpigmentation and to reduce redness from the things that I just extracted. The next step is high frequency. I bought this on Amazon, so you can too. It was, I believe it was like around $80 to $100. I'm not very sure, but this is the one that has like the different heads. I just put this thing on top because you want that friction so it can glide smoothly on your skin. The purple light is argan light and it kills bacteria that grows on the skin. It prevents new breakouts from happening, so that's why I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and rub that all over my face. You can do this at whatever like strength you want. The higher the better. You do want to put your finger on it first and then apply it to the skin and let your finger off. Next, I'm going to use the other head that it comes with, which is the neon light, and that is to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. So I'm going to use that with a serum, so I'm not going to use the gauze on there for the friction. Instead, I'm going to use this Buffet serum from The Ordinary. It's a multi-technology peptide serum, so it also reduces fine lines and wrinkles. So I'm going to use that to make it glide instead of the gauze. So this one's orange, and you can see this one better. So this also helps with product penetration. So using the serum is perfect because it just pushes it into the skin more. Now I'm using the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I'm gonna put that all over my face as well. And my skin feels so soft. Before I put my moisturizer on, I'm going to apply some rosebud salve. Basically like a lip moisturizer. So I'm just gonna apply that. Next, I'm going to use my Elemis Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. I'm going to use the other side of that to just scoop it out. And you can also apply this on top of the lip. I'm going to finish up with the Dermalogica Skin Smoothing Cream and apply that everywhere on my face. The last step is going to be using my jade roller. So I'm going to do some lymphatic drainage with this. Your lymph nodes are right over here and then also on your neck. This is what I do. One way, push everything up a little bit. Then I'll push it out. Onto my cheek and push it up. And then I'll just push it to the side. But that is it. I am done. And now my face is so soft and glowy. Thank you guys so much for watching this whole entire video. I hope it helped you guys out a little bit, your skincare steps and what to use. I honestly recommend Dermalogica to anyone. They have something for everyone and it is really good products. If you guys do have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. Like always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the family and so you don't miss any videos from me. Make sure to follow all my socials down below: Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, you name it. Also TikTok, because I've been posting on TikTok. Kind of love it. So go make sure you follow me there. Please let me know if you guys want more esthetician related videos because I would love to make them and help you guys out even more. Before we do end all the steps, I would say wear sunscreen if it is day out. Right now it's night, so I'm not going to wear sunscreen, but definitely make sure to wear sunscreen every day. Thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned for the next video.